President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris have been visiting areas hit by Hurricane Helene to check on the damage and recovery efforts. On Wednesday, Biden visited North and South Carolina, where the hurricane caused severe destruction. He announced that 1,000 troops would help with delivering supplies like food and water to those affected. Harris visited Georgia on Wednesday, where she was expected to give updates on federal aid and recovery plans. She also plans to visit North Carolina in the coming days. The White House said Harris will focus on helping Georgia recover with FEMA workers already in the region. On Monday, former President Donald Trump visited Georgia and criticized the Biden administration's hurricane response.